Teka muna, baby, na video.
Hi, with me. It's Andrea.
Hi, Andrea. Why are you hiding with sunglasses?
Yeah, I just wanted to not see my eyes.
Okay, what do you
Let's
have
put
for
the
us today?
sunglasses right there. I'll show you my mega pop-up jungle book.
Wow, beautiful. What is the difference of Mega Pop-Up book from the other books?
Yeah.
Can you show us?
Look,
Okay.
this is the back. This is the one that you can see already when I hide my mouth.
That book has many surprises.
Yes.
Okay, let's start the
Start
story.
the story. Shut up. Look. Shut up.
Oh, it's a lion. What is the name of that lion?
Noisy lion.
What happened to him?
He's waking up.
He's waking up.
The sun is rising in the jungle. And Noisy lion is waking up.
Oh, no.
Suddenly he hears a loud noise roar.
Roar? Someone is noisy. Who is that?
Who can that be? Asked Noisy Lion and set off to find out.
Oh, no. So he has to find out who's that noisy roar that you hear?
Is he a chameleon?
Let's say bye-bye muna to noisy lion. Can you show us first? Yeah, a roar. So that's why it's called pop-up book, because something pop up when you open
Yeah,
it.
it's a pop-up book.
Okay.
Hi, Noisy Lion.
Oh, who's that?
What? Who's this? It's a parrot.
Oh. So what happened? What happened to that
Noisy
pig?
Lion calls to the parrots in the treetops. Are you making a loud roaring sound?
Oh, no. Is he the one making the roaring sound?
No.
What did he say?
Squawk,
Squawk, squawk. How many parrots do we have?
1, 2, 3.
So they answer, no, not us?
This moment, he asked, no, not us, replied the parrot.
So it's not them doing the roar. Yeah, because they don't roar. What is their sound?
Squawk.
It's okay, the next page. So, the lion looked for... Oh!
Noisy Lion asked, who's making that roaring sound here? But the monkey asked, no, not us. They were munching bananas.
Yeah, what is the sound of monkey? See, it's not them because their sound is... So they don't roar. Okay, so...
Next page.
Oh, what is that?
See the supplies.
It's okay. What is that?
Okay. Soon.
What did the lion ask the frog?
Are any of you making a loud roaring sound?
What did they answer?
No, not all of us. No.
What did the frog says?
Squawk. But actually, no. Squawk.
Ribbit. Yeah.
Ribbit. Why? Forget the noise.
But there on the
Ribbit.
book is croak.
Ribbit.
And then what
Squawk.
did the
Snap.
the crocodile says?
Snap.
Okay, about the snake. Oh, you know different sounds of animals.
Yes, I do.
So they don't roar. It's not
It's not
them.
them, 'cause
Definitely, it's not them who roar.
they just no warning sound noise here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh-oh.
Next,
Place it here so that they could see who roared.
noisy lion was about to give up.
Uh-huh. Then what did he hear?
Then he hear a loud rustling in the bushes right here.
So he hears
Out.
something there. What did that sound like?
Out jumps, roar, tiger.
Oh,
Tiger
it's a
roar.
tiger. So it's you all along, tiger.
Yes, it is him. I ate my finger.
Oh, you forgot the parrot. The parrot keeps on eating your finger. Can you show them the parrot again? That page where the parrot eats your finger? Hand pala. The parrot eating your hand.
Ah!
Your hand is missing now. The parrot eat
Oh,
it.
it's gone. Where is it? Oh, that thing's still here. That's a trick.
Yeah.
Cause look, it's not even
Can
real.
you see the mouth? Wow,
just goes
so
this
big.
big.
Oh.
Let's go to the last place again.
So, who is making the noisy roaring noise?
Tiger,
Sounds.
roar, tiger.
So, all along, it's the tiger.
All along is the tiger.
But, what is the sound? What is the sound of the lion?
Roar,
They're the
also
same.
roar. Yeah, cause they're both roaring ones.
But, can you tell us the misleading information about
Just a
lion?
misleading information that lions don't live in the jungle, and they're not kings of the jungle.
Where do they live?
They live in Rocky Hills,
In
And-
savannah,
Savannah, and some other places, but not
in the jungle.
in the
Where they can
jungle.
look for it.
no.
They could
In Rocky Hills
They could Google it, where they could see that
Google it.
information.
and Google.
Do you know how to use Google?
Not yet, cause I'm still young.
Okay. So what is your favorite part of this book?
My favorite in here is the monkeys
Oh, why?
munching bananas.
Can you
Yum, yum,
can you repeat the sounds of each animal? Starts from the lion.
Okay. Roar.
Then next monkey.
No.
No, there on the
It's
line.
here, here.
Okay, the parrot.
Squawk.
And then the monkey.
Oh, oh, ah, ah.
And then the
Crocodile.
crocodile.
Snap. And the snake.
Snake.
And the frog. Ribbit, ribbit.
And the tiger.
The last one. Roar. Again. Roar.
But among those animals, who is your favorite?
The monkeys.
Why naman?
I like those a lot.
I know why. I know why. You want to ask me why?
Cause those are one of my favorite animals.
No, because you both eat banana.
What is bananas?
That's also your favorite, remember? Monkey and you had this one common favorite.
That's not why I like it. Cause it's one of my favorite animals.
Okay na. I thought your favorite is cat.
I also like it. It's one of my favorite animals. It's some. I got
Oh.
more than one favorite animal.
Okay, so do you love your stories today? Can you show
Yes,
them
I
the book
do.
again?
The beginning.
Yeah, the cover. Yeah. So it's a pop-up book.
Like it's white. Look at the tiger.
Do you know that you have that pop-up book long time ago when you were 1 year old?
When I was like 1 year old and very young. When I was
And it's only now you were able to open it again.
I found it once when I was like 5 years old.
Okay. So,
I'm already 5 years old and I'm turning into 6.
oh, how many days pa before you turn 6?
20.
So, 31
Okay,
minus
31
13
minus 13.
is,
20.
is, no,
18.
and then plus 4 because your birthday is April 4.
22 more days until my birthday.
Okay, saying happy birthday for yourself.
Happy birthday to myself.
Okay, you say thank you.
Bye. Bye. Don't please subscribe.
Oh, why you're breaking up your book? Fix it. Let Lion say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, war. Bye, war.